Sabi niya, realize your worth. Why realize your worth? Kasi most of the time, people are working because they thought that their worth and their work are directly proportionate. Di ba? They always find us in pride in being busy. As if they feel that they're very important because they're very busy. Tama? Kasi minsan akala natin parang this is how we, for example, you came here for the first time and they will ask, "Hi, I'm Bong. How about you? What's your name?" Well, I'm John. Then the next thing that you will ask is this, "So how do you do? What are you doing in life?" Laging parang kaakibat yung identity natin with the work that we do in life. Tama? But in reality, your work doesn't tell you about your worth. Deep within you, you are being affected that if you're not doing anything, you are really nothing. Okay po? So there came a time in my life that if I feel that I'm not doing anything, as in if my schedule, if there's a day of rest in my schedule, I feel so useless. Di ba? Kaya minsan, kasi akala natin ganun eh. Ang worth natin based on our work, parang if I rest so early, wala na. Hindi sinasabi ng Diyos na wala namang puro tulog na lang, ano? Kasi you will also get restless by not doing anything. Nakuha? So ito yung balanced life, as in maximizing your time while at the same time, hindi ka naman to the point of exhausting your energy. To the point of thinking na, my worth is based on my work. Now let me tell you this, even in our relationship with God, sometimes we are also affected by our performance. Pag-isipan nyo, some of you are Christians but you feel so restless because you feel that you have not brought any soul to the kingdom of God. Pag-isipan ninyo, hindi pa ako nakapag-share ng gospel. Buti ka pa, ang dami mo na sharean. Meron pa mga makasama sa D-group eh. Minsan ayaw natin sumama sa D-group eh. Ako nagdala kay Lord niyan, sa Kanya. Ako. Ito rin, dala ko yan. Ito pa, dala ko yan. Kasi ikaw naman, ang dami niya ng dalang souls. Palagay ko, dami mo ng reward sa langit. Tama? Hindi totoo lahat yun eh. Kasi sa totoo lang ganito. Sometimes, God made you harvest, but somebody planted. Di ba? Kaya sabi nga ni Paul, you see, maybe Apollos planted, tapos di ba? I watered, but God causes the growth. Don't ever feel na parang, hindi ako nakapag-share, nakakahiya. No, God, as you pray, God will honor your heart's desire. Gagamitin ka rin ng Lord. But don't ever think that because you haven't directly used yet, wala ka ng, worth. Hindi totoo yun. Napaka-importante mo kay God. You see, you don't need to spend your whole life trying to win the approval of other people. Hindi mo kailangan. And sabi ko nga, you have to realize how valuable you are to God because of who He is. Not because of what you did. Yet there is nothing you can ever do in life that will make God love you more than He already does. There is nothing you can ever do that will make God love you less, any less. His love is not based on your performance. It is unconditional love. It is based on who He is. You see, friends, you don't have to prove your worth by overworking. You don't need to feel useless by looking for work that would come from God. Hintayin mo sa Diyos. Hintayin mo sa Diyos.